Dude, that is so cool. And the coolest part is, not the moose, even though that is a monster of a mouse. Hold on, I'll show you guys in just a second. I just want to see if this guy will turn and give me a heart shot. Because again, with the 270 Warden, I've only killed 1 diamond with this gun yet. So hopefully this will be the next one. And why? How? Go alert! That down in the corner is the coolest thing. Gamer Kid's back. Okay, amen. Will you go alert? Turn. Yes. And I'm just gonna drop it. But let's go.
Oh, I still can't believe they won. That's just crazy.
That is really cool. Pick him up. And diamond 287.90. I think his estimate went up to like 290 or something, right? Or 289, something like that. So he scored right at the top. That is a monster of a moose, though. I always love getting the moose. Why are his eyes closed? One of my favorite animals in the game. Probably actually my favorite antlered animal in the game. 100%. Yep. Well, just place a tent because me and Gamer are hunting bison, and because I wanted to set up a grind. Well, if I can get another spot on this, show it in a second. A 454 is just insane penetration. That is not it. That is not it. That's not it. That is a huge female. But that is not it. Where is he? No. That right there. Level 9 wolf. I have not seen one of those since our egg white diamond wolf grind, and actually we got the egg white diamond and then got the normal and got 2 more normal diamonds. Yep, that was last time I've seen one of these guys. If he will just turn around, please do not make this difficult to me. Ooh, I did not even see that 6. Oh, they're eating apparently. Don't want to take that. I hit him. Question is, did I hit him good? The answer is no, I did not. Can I make that shot? Please don't say I messed him up. I think hunting pressure is going to have to tell, and we got him. Oh, that's kind of scary. That is really cool, though. First level 9 wolf I've seen, again, since that grind, so that is awesome. And I haven't seen a level 5 moose since my attempted super rare moose grind. And I think the last one I saw was actually a troll, if I recall correctly. But this should be Diamond Wolf number 17, 18. A lot of Diamond Wolves. And also we'll have a Trophy Lodge tour coming out extremely soon. Now that we finally got a great one. So that is really cool. Yeah. And Yukon is just the best map overall, in my opinion. It's so beautiful. The animal, holy crap. The animals on it are just amazing. You really can't go wrong with Yukon, I feel like. And, yeah. Jarrett. And Diamond, let's go. And I thought that should have been a good shot. But Nope, second one got him, and thank God he actually made it, because now my Yukon room with my wolf wall will finally be completed. That is really cool. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, multiplayer paid off, I guess, because that's a level 5 bison. Found a level 23 map with the host, like, almost non-hunting any spots on this map. And, I probably would have gone up to, what's it called, Teton Forest to look for wolves, but there were already people up there, so I thought, why not go somewhere else? And what do you know, that actually paid off. So, I just really hope that this will give us something good. And we got him with that shot, I think. Yeah, okay. We got him. Because I know that it's been a while since I've seen a diamond bison, I believe. It's been a very long time. Take another shot if we can, but he died before I could. Guess he couldn't. Yeah, that is pretty damn cool, because I've not seen one of those guys again in a very long time. Yeah, but sorry if I'm not really talking that much. I'm focusing on something else at the moment. Well, also trying to play and record. So it's a bit challenging at the moment, I guess you could say. Alright. Back to focusing on what I was trying to in just 1 second. Alright. Alrighty. Let's see. I don't think I have. Let's swap out the M1. I was buffalo hunting with the 22 and 20 gauge and stuff like that, so don't exactly have my normal loadout, and pick this guy up. And diamond, nice. Again, been a while since I've seen a diamond bison. I really don't have too much room for them, but we could fit it somewhere, I guess. Throw it on one of my walls and one of my throwaway lodges. And probably won't be in the trophy lodge tour, because I already filmed that, and don't feel like refilming all of that. But I got the moose and the wolf in it, so that's cool.